Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day. Today I wanted to share with you guys what I picked up during the May Polish pickup sale. So the first thing I grabbed is the Kathleen Co Polish in Fun Dip, and I had to grab a backup, of course. It is so gorgeous. So it's a beautiful blue polish with a blue shimmer running throughout, and I did want to do a little comparison between BKL's Arion Original and the 2.0 version. And as you can see, Arion Original is much more green, whereas the 2.0 is a little bit more similar to Kathleen Co, but not an exact dupe. This is going to be the perfect color for summer. Next up, I decided to grab another of the Fast and Hard top coat, and this is in the scent Jolly Ranchers. This is one of my favorite top coats. It's very, like it says, fast drying and hard and shiny. So next up, I grabbed Polish for Days Fintastic, which is a beautiful blue polish. As you can see, I do love blue polish. And I did want to do a little comparison between Friend Like Me, which was released, I believe it was October of 2022. And as you can see, Fintastic is more on the blue side, whereas the other has a purple shift. And Friend Like Me is not as loaded with those hollow flakes. Next up, I grabbed Lumen Nails, and this is in Pink Sugar, and it's absolutely stunning. I thought it might be the pink version of Glass Frog, which is the blue shade that was released not too long ago. And it has the most gorgeous pink to like orange gold shimmer running throughout. Next, I picked up Cuticula's Mic Drop Base Coat in Gummy Bears. This is actually a new favorite of mine, and I do love the smell. It smells amazing. I then went ahead and picked up the Anchor and Heart Lacquer Mermaid Tears base coat, which I've heard great things about. And this one is scented, which I'm excited about. I then had to grab the accompanying base coat Double Bond by Vibrant Scents, and this is also in the scent Jolly Ranchers. And this is again one of my favorite base coats. It's ridge filling and sticky, and it allows your polish to last a long time. Next up is Glisten and Glow Sweet and Spicy, which is inspired by the spicy Doritos, I believe. And this is the most gorgeous purple vampy shade, and as you can see, it has so many shifts of color. I cannot wait to wear this one in the fall. By the way, comment down below on what you picked up during May Polish Pickup. I'm curious to know what everybody gravitated toward. I then had to grab Ethereal Lacquer's Yummy Bear, which is so beautiful. It's like this magenta color with shifty gold to magenta shimmer, I guess, and little bits of hollow scattered throughout. It's an absolutely amazing shade. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing and liking the video.